Well, hello and good morning, everyone. We are back in action after a long time. I was a bit caught up in my exams. I am Swagat, Bishu Shetri, and we are climbing the hills. So, without any delay, let's roll in the intro. So finally we have reached Gadithura Bazaar, and if you are seeing this statue behind you anytime, then remember that's Gadithura Bazaar. And this is the road from we are coming, and this is the road we are gonna follow, and that is the milestone and all. So I will tell you about the destination in a bit. Till then, stay tuned and stay together. Well, so now guys, finally the climb begins. This is State Highway 12, but we are not following the state highway which goes towards Mirik. We are also going towards Mirik, but we are going off the grid. That is the road behind me. It goes through many villages and it's off-road. It's too steep, but that is the fun, you know. So let's begin the ascent, and I will catch up with you when I get something beautiful to show you. So if you can see those electric posts, the transmission towers, that we have to climb, and we have done around 25% of the climb. More 75% is left. So if you're enjoying this, stay tuned.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden, honestly you know.
Well, so guys, it has not even been 1 kilometer for our climb, और हालत देखो हमारी, totally exhausted, पूरा dehydrated.
Just so that I could show you you're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're golden.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे एलिवेशन के बारे में?
बहुत ज़्यादा है।
विष्णु भैया और मैंने काफ़ी रोड्स कवर किए हैं। डैनी हमारे साथ नहीं है अभी। डैनी वी आर मिसिंग यू। सो रोड तो काफ़ी सारे ट्रैवल किए। चटकपुर हो गया, पेशक, सो मेनी रोड्स, नामथिंग, पोखरी, बट धूप बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, सो इसलिए डिहाइड्रेशन ज़्यादा हो रही है। एंड लेट मी शो यू 50% एलिवेशन हो चुका है कवर, और अभी दैट टॉप that you can see right there, that is our destination. जब वहाँ पहुँचेंगे ना, I think we will get a awesome view. So stay tuned.
When we meet, hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're golden. Meet under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. You're golden, golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're golden, golden. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the young, so I could show you. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the
सो हेलो गाइस, जो जगह दिखाया था आपको, जो पहाड़, हम फाइनली उस तक पहुंच चुके हैं। और नीचे जो आपको रोड दिख रहा है, छोटा छोटा, पतला पतला, वही हमने ट्रैवल किया है। और अभी हम पहुंचे हैं यहाँ पे।
फटने से कम फटने लग रहा है।
अभी थोड़ा कम फटने लग रहा है। विष्णु भैया का थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हालत खराब है, क्योंकि विष्णु मैंने कल क्या खाया था? विष्णु भैया कल आपने?
कल मैंने मोमो खाया था, वैष्णो
कल मैंने मोमो खाया था और मुझे नहीं बुलाया था वैष्णव
पता
जी
नहीं
ने।
वो दिमाग का खेल है कि क्या है।
जी गलत बात है।
बहुत थक गया रात में।
मोमो मत खाओ साइकिलिंग करते वक्त। कार्ब्स खाओ, कार्ब्स, मैदा से कुछ नहीं होगा। और यही है व्यू। पता नहीं आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं। देयर आर मेनी रिवर बेड्स, तो कि मैं आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कौन से रिवर बेड्स हैं। हाई टेंशन वायर्स है जो कि बहुत ख़तरनाक है। मेरे को लालपुर में काफ़ी करंट मारे थे। सो यही है, बहुत अच्छा फील है। Beauty at its best. We are going going downhill. Woo! मज़ा आ गया, मज़ा। और ये चढ़ाई ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, पर हम चले जा रहे हैं बिकॉज हमें तो जाना है, पहुंचना ही है। ओके, आई होप यू guys are also enjoying the vlog. Stay tuned, there is much more beauty to come.
गयो यो उमेर नि धाकले ढाकेर राखेको आफैमा आइलाग्यो कि खै के जवानी भरको ढाँटेको बुझ्न नसकिने खै के हो 2 दिने रितको संसार यो एक त हिजोमै घेर गएको आज नि अबेर भइसक्यो म चाहिँ आफ्नै बाटो लागौँ है अब म चाहिँ आफ्नै बाटो लागौँ है अब जवानी ढल्के थियो अझै नै त्यही कुरो खैके भो पिरतिला केटेरै हो कि जिन्दगी मेरो घेर गएको अरूको कुरो त सुनेर दौडियो चारतिर चौरो परेछि पो थाहा भो थाहा सबै नहुँदो रहेछ म चाहिँ आफ्नै बाटो लागौँ है अब म चाहिँ आफ्नै बाटो लागौँ है अब म चाहिँ सकिने खै के हो 2 दिने रितको संसार यो एक त हिजोमै घेर गएको आज नि अबेर भइसक्यो।
People, so finally we made it to Mirik Sumendu Lake, but I felt really sad seeing the lake because the lake is totally eutrophied and it has got dried. I don't know what we human beings are doing. I think 10 years from now this lake will be extinct. I have been here 4 or 5 times. I am coming here since I was a child. I was 4 or 5 years old and I have seen this lake dying day by day. It had a beautiful ecosystem with numerous fishes and all, but with the human activity, the activity done by us, the lakes are dying. So earlier it was totally covered with water, totally filled with water, and now see the condition. Just look at it. I don't know what we are doing. It is a popular tourist destination in Darjeeling, but it requires serious attention now. It's high time. So alright guys, that's all for today's journey. We have a tricky downhill now, so we must get prepared, and let's see you in some other place, in some other beautiful vlog. Signing off from Mirik.